Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dimas Saputra. I'm from Group 5 and today we will discuss about annotating and outlining. First of all, we have the member of the group. It is consists of Salsabila, Lia Aprilia, Dimas Saputra, and Tahrid Nur Khairah Azaini. First of all, we will talk about annotating. What is annotating? Annotating is a technique for simply writing down your thoughts on a text. Annotating a text entails adding annotations, notes, questions, comments, and observations to the text. The other definition of annotating is any action that intentionally interacts with a text to improve the reader's comprehensions. Recall and response to the text is referred to as annotating. This method, also known as close reading, entails highlighting or underlining key passage of the text and making notes in margins. Why should we annotate? First, you can ensure that you understand what is happening in a text after reading it by annotating it. Second, annotating helps you pay attention. It means that this method minimizes usual distractions and you can easily read and think of the text or book you have read. Third, it gives you something to say. Annotating prepares you with something meaningful to say for discussion. Fourth, it saves time later. And now we're going to talk about the ways to annotate the text. The most common type of annotating is highlighting or underlining key or major ideas. First, there is a tendency to highlight more information than is necessary, particularly on a first reading. The second type of annotating is the least active. It is paraphrase or summary of main ideas. Annotation can be used to go beyond understanding a text's meaning and organizations by noting your reactions. Sample like agreement, question. Symbols, which include a variety of other symbols in addition to underlining, can assist readers in quickly identifying the basic details of a text. Square, for example, can be used with a corresponding key written at the top or bottom of the paper to identify their significance. Here's some annotating guidelines. First, read. The first thing you must do is read the text with no pencil, pen, or highlighter in your hand. Second, circle keyword or major ideas that are confusing or unknown to you. Replace the word with a word that is more familiar to you. Third, underline or highlight the major point in a single color. Remember, if everything is not important, highlight what you would use if you were asked to do a summary on the text given. Fourth, ask questions. You can write your questions on the side somewhere or use question mark for your question that you have during the reading. Fifth, use an exclamation point for things that surprise you. Sixth, throw an arrow when you make a connection to something. Seventh, write X when the author provides an example. Eighth, number arguments, important ideas, or key details, and write words that restate them. This is help you to write a summary from the text. And the next topic is outlining. What is outlining? An outline is a general plan of the material that is presented in speech or paper. The outline shows the order of the various topics, the relative importance of each, and the relationship between the various parts. Here are some outlining strategies. Outlining your first draft by listing each paragraph's topic sentence can be an easy way to ensure that each of your paragraphs is serving a specific purpose in your paper. You may find opportunities to combine or eliminate potential paragraphs when you're outlining. First draft. often contains repetitive ideas or sections that stall, rather than advance the paper's central argument. Additionally, if you are having trouble revising a paper, making an outline of each paragraph and its topic sentence after you have written your paper can be an effective way of identifying a paper's strengths and weaknesses. Here's the types of outlining. There are two main types of outlines. First, topic outlines. In the topic outlines, the headings are given in single words or brief phrases. The second one is sentence outline. In the sentence outlines, all the headings are expressed in complete sentence. What is the benefit of outlining? Outlines are helpful for several reasons. First, they help you structure your paper. If your school or degree program provides a dissertation template, you already have a basic outline made for you. This helps you see where to place specific pieces of information. Second, outlines help you organize your thoughts. An outline helps you organize your ideas about your topic ahead of time, so that when you sit down to write, you know what to work on. Third, an outline can help you plan and manage your time. A quick glance at an outline of a chapter can help you see what is done and what needs to be done. Here's some example of outlining. First, there is an introduction part, and in introduction part, it is consist of a current problem and a population or area of focus and key terms. Thesis statement. The second one is a background. In the background, you also adding a gaps in the research. Gaps in here is a little information exists exploring the health implication of the current condition in low skills job in the example. Third is major point. In major point consists a minor point. Usually there are 3 to 4 major points and 2 to 3 minor points. In the last one is conclusion. In conclusion, you have to add a restatement of thesis. Your conclusion both restates your paper majors, claim, and ties that claim into a larger discussion. Rather than simply reiterating each major and minor point, quickly revisit your thesis statement and focus on ending the paper by laying your thesis into current research in your field, of course. The next step is for other researchers, your broader studies, or other future implications. Thank you.